Applying for a Prosperity Bank USA credit card is a straightforward process. Here are the simple steps. 1. Determine which card fits you. Visit the Credit Cards section of the Prosperity Bank website. They typically offer Visa Classic and Visa Gold personal credit cards. Review the features and benefits of each card to decide which one aligns best with your needs, e.g., everyday purchases, travel benefits, higher spending power. 2. Gather your information. Before you begin the application, make sure you have the following information ready. Personal information, your full name, current address, and previous address if you've lived at your current one for less than 2 years, date of birth, and social security number. Contact information, your phone number and email address. Employment and income information, details about your current employer, occupation, and your annual income. 3. Start the online application. Navigate back to the Credit Cards page on the Prosperity Bank website. Click on the Apply for a Credit Card button for the card you've chosen, Visa Classic or Visa Gold. You will be directed to an online application form. 4. Complete the application form. Carefully fill out all the required fields in the online application with the information you gathered in Step 2. Ensure all details are accurate. 5. Review and submit. Before submitting, take a moment to review all the information you've entered to check for any errors. Read the terms and conditions of the credit card agreement. Once you are satisfied, click the Submit button. 6. Wait for a decision. Prosperity Bank states that you can generally receive a decision within 1 minute of submitting your online application. They also mention that they will typically contact you within 24 hours of your application. Important considerations. Eligibility. While specific eligibility criteria aren't exhaustively detailed online, you'll generally need a satisfactory credit history and meet their income requirements. Online application convenience. Prosperity Bank highlights the ease of their online application, even mentioning that you can complete it with a selfie for identity verification. Balance transfers. If you're interested in consolidating debt, note that Prosperity Bank offers a balance transfer provision on their credit cards. By following these simple steps, you can easily apply for a Prosperity Bank USA credit card online. Good luck.